Hello guys, welcome to our channel Learn with Sumit sir. Many of you ask me that how we talk in English. English is not very tough language. If you want to talk in English, then only keep on practice. You will see that in some day you can talk in English. To talk in English, first you have to learn more meaning. Without meaning, you can understand the meaning of sentence and cannot talk in English. After that, you should be understand tense. Follow this way, and you will see that you are starting talking English slowly. Try to talk in English small words, small sentence in your daily basis life. It will be helpful to you. If you do this work, you see that you are improving your English skill and slowly you will be talking in English. Then you should read book in English. First you will not understand the meaning of English book, but slowly see that you are understanding all meaning. The book reading will be more helpful to you. The more you read book, you see that you are adding more words, more sentences, more English skill to talking in your mind. Follow this way and it will be very helpful to you. Only follow this way you can very easily talk in English. Many of you understand that we cannot talk in English. It is tough. We should more time to learn it. But it is not true. If you learn clearly, if you are going on right path, then you see that in very few days, nearly 3 months, many of men talk in English only 1 month. But I said you only 3 months you can learn English and you can talk to anybody. You are knowing that today English is important language. English is international language. If you want to convert any other foreigner, then you should learn English. And in life, English is more important. If you want to get promotion in your job, you have to learn it. Without learning English, perhaps you cannot get promotion easily. And people understand that the man who is talking in English is more skilled, is civilized, is educated person. It is people's mindset. Then why can you not learn English? Try to learn. It is not more tough. If you will understand and do this, follow this way, very easily you can learn English. Thank you. After some time, I will giving instruction like this. Like and subscribe. Thanks.